everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy steps on how to find good clan in Clash Royale. So let's get started. From the main screen, tap the clan icon at the bottom of your screen. Browse recommended clans. Clash Royale shows a list of recommended clans based on your level and activity. Scroll through to see options with active members, good donations, and frequent wars. Use the search filter. Tap on the Show button. Required trophies, clan location, clan war frequency, and minimum clan level. This helps you to find a clan that fits your playstyle and goals. Check clan activity. Before joining, check a few things. Are the members active? Is the clan chest or war activity good? Do they donate often? Is the chat active and friendly? Join and try it out. If the clan looks solid, tap join. You can always leave later if it's not right fit for you. And that's how you can find good clan in Clash Royale.